Everest, okay, go cashier for a day.
Yes, magiging ano tayo.
Challenge hi, Ma'am Ann! Thank you!
Bridget, pwede ba
Ma'am
mag-assistant for a day?
Nagpapakilig din si Ma'am
Effect yun.
Jowa challenge. Ano? Bridget and Sir Gavin. Ay, ayaw ni Gavin. Hindi yun. Mali yun.
Gusto.
Hindi. Parang ayaw ni Gavin. Si Ate M naman sendan nyo. Okay lang, Jade.
May part 2 daw ba ng Jowa Challenge? Iaano namin yan, kapag marami nag-request, talagang mag-e-effort na kami sa mga, kasi may mga nakikita kaming comment na paranormal lang, ganyan. Kasi hindi naman kasi talaga siya kayang maglalaki.
Kaya niya. Alam mo, napakaganda.
Tignan nyo, mas may blush on pa siya sa akin.
Everyone flowers. Everyone gets to nanonood flowers.
Ano, paulit-ulit kasi yung comment. Ang ganda nun. Swap pa mo daw. Swap
Pero
over
guys,
with Bridget.
intayin nyo, iulitin natin yan.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Everyone flowers.
Pero ano kasi siya nakakatawa.
Guys, di mo tao.
Ayun, punta kami, chat ka lang. Sige, Ma'am Dani kaya. Gusto ko yung wait lang. Ganun.
Chico, tsaka ano ha, yung kulot mo dapat gayahin mo. Bili ka ng wig ni Bridget. Ganun.
Cardiac.
Oo, ganun.
Ganun, para maganda.
Hindi natin ma-reach, guys. Cooperation.
Guys, i-reach natin. Pinilit.
Alam mo kayong dalawa, makapag-English lang.
Eh, maganda ng English. You can challenge us in English and you will not win.
Guys, hintayin nyo yung Mother's Day vlog ko, yes.
What do you like is speaking
Isa din yun sa magiging favorite vlog ko.
Okay, this is a speaking only English challenge.
Okay, from now on.
From
From
this
this-
moment,
Yes, from this moment, we're gonna talk in English. Just English, okay, guys?
Okay, so basic.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
it's my fetish, speaking in English.
Oh, wow. What is fetish? Spell fetish.
F-E-T.
Can you please elaborate what is fetish?
Yeah.
Spell ya.
Fujiko, your sounds is echoing.
Mommy M is spell ya.
Oh, I don't know why.
Yeah, it's echoing. Everyone is complaining
Uy,
of your sound.
thank you, Ma'am Ann.
Sino ba yan si Ma'am Ann?
Yes. Uy, Ma'am Ann, ngayon lang yata kita nakilala.
Ma'am Ann, marami
Hi, Ma'am Dolly. Hi, Aaron. Hello,
Dolly or
Syra.
Dali?
Ay, Dali pala. So, Dali ba?
Dolly. Yeah, Dali.
Do you know who's Ma'am Dali?
No, I don't know her. Can you introduce her to me?
I think that's one of our supporter. Sweet supporter, yeah.
Oh my God, that's nice. Jowa challenge with Kelsey and Bridget. Wag, no, guys.
Ayaw ni
I
Kelsey
totally
yun.
disagree.
Very normal, guys.
Guys, why you keep
Hi,
asking
Aram.
for
Hi,
swap
thank you,
gender?
Ma'am Chona.
Guys, can you say promise na daw to everyone because they want a swap challenge, swap gender challenge for both of you.
What
Okay.
money challenge?
Ito naman. Kaya mas mayaman ka.
Oh, what? What is Mas Mayaman, Ken?
More rich.
Are you and Dumber pants?
Hi, John Ver.
Ay, oh my
Wow, what's
Wow.
that?
Who's that? This one is giving.
I think it was
This one?
This one.
Wow.
Wow.
bleeding. Okay.
Henrik with the pamangkins one. Oh, pwede. Pwede yun.
Guys, please. I feel sorry for Henrik if he will do that.
Yeah, because I have a lot of
Yeah, pamangkins.
pamangkins. Yeah.
But don't worry, Fujiko. I told you last time that we will take care of your children too.
Yes.
Ay, carjack!
Cardiac yung mga junakis. Tignan mo, tapos gagawin pagjawa
Ano ba? Hindi ka na nananalo.
natin.
Girl, ano na?
Ano yan?
Oh,
Hindi ka na nananalo.
Guys.
Hi, Aram. I'm your...
Okay, Sandy.
From Australia. Thank
from
you,
Australia.
Padwat. Hello.
Australia is my country. That
Hello, thank you for the support po. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it.